Hey guys, today I'm gonna skin a chicken and cook it in my Instant Pot. So let's apply the pressure. I have about a 4.5 or 5 pound chicken here. I already took the giblets out of the inside, saved the liver. I like the liver, threw the rest out. Now I'm gonna take the wings off. If I can find the joint. It's always kind of hard to find the joint, but let's see here. Okay. And I'm going to save the wings and cook them in my toaster oven along with the liver. It's kind of a snack. So it's easier to get the skin off if you take the wings off first. If you can find the joint, come on, there we go. Alright, got that done. Now I'm going to run warm water over this to kind of, that'll soften up the skin and it makes it easier to pull off. Makes it quite a bit easier. Okay, let's see how this goes here. Okay. I don't like the way the skin turns out in the pot. It just turns out all kind of soggy and rubbery, so I just get rid of it. That way you don't have all that extra fat in the pot. Okay, coming along. Just rinse my sink out good when I'm done. Get all that bacteria out of there. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now I kind of trim off some of this excess fat real quick. Alright, this is looking pretty good. I'm going to take the tail off as well. And we'll get that into the pot. Now I'll get this seasoned up. This is kosher salt. I already did the other side. And this is Johnny's seasoned pepper, so I'll do the whole thing with this. I added 1 cup of water, and we'll get the lid on there. Now I'm going to cook this for 15 minutes on the pressure cook setting, and I'm going to turn off the keep warm and get that going, and I'm going to let the pressure release naturally. So I'll let you guys know how long that takes, the total cooking time. I just heard the pressure pin drop, so total cooking time was 52, almost 53 minutes. So let's open it up and see how it looks. Well, as you can see, this is super tender, so be kind of like shredded chicken. This makes good sandwiches. Also, this is good broth, so you can make soup with it. You could even add more liquid to that, like if you wanted to make soup. I have done that. So, but I just eat it like this or make sandwiches with it a lot. Well, Annie just showed up for the taste test. I already tried it. It tastes like chicken. We'll let her try it though. What do you think, Annie? I think she liked it. I've been cooking chicken like that quite a bit lately. I don't like the way the skin turns out, so I just pull it off. It's not really that hard, so if you don't like the way the skin turns out in the Instant Pot, maybe give that a try. And you can add more water if you want more broth, like to make soup or something like that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time. Forgot about my wings. Here's what they look like after 40 minutes in the toaster oven. Not bad, huh?